Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. The Amazfit GTR is an amazing fitness watch. It has awesome build quality and it's packed with a lot of new tech. But nothing is perfect. These are the reasons why you should avoid the Amazfit GTR. When you check the GTR online, you will see most people complaining about this watch. I think the watch needs some polishing up. I have a problem with my unit, especially when it comes to the GPS sync. The phone always shows the sync has succeeded, but on the watch it shows failure. I have tried all the possible means to fix this, even contacting Amazfit, but I'm yet to receive any replies. If small things like this actually bothers you, then stay away from this watch. I personally think it needs some work. When notifications pop on your watch and you don't bother to check, then you won't be able to access the notifications by swiping. You have to go to the notifications menu to access the notifications. The notifications also show the last received, unless you are in the notifications menu. Although the watch is packed with latest sensors, it doesn't give accurate data. The sleeping tracking, for instance, is far from being accurate. The watch also has a hard time with the GPS tracking. To be honest, if you haven't purchased this watch, then for now just don't. The price is already dropping, and with the issues mentioned above, I think you can get something better for the price. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.